The Lander Invitational Wrestling Tournament was held Friday and Saturday in Star Valley. From the 3A ranks, looked dominant in this meet with a whopping 257.5 points. Worland was second with 141, Lander third with 124, Powell took fourth, Kemmerer fifth, and Glenrock sixth. Individually at 106 pounds, Braden Andrews of Star Valley pinned Keegan Gelhausen of Pinedale in the championship match. Over at 113, the title went to Glenrock's Tate Starter with a pin over Star Valley's Trey Waldron. Spencer Angel of Star Valley gave the Braves another championship at 120, beating his teammate Tristan Hicks in the final 3-1. At 126, Glenrock had another champion as Joe Taylor defeated Gavin Patterson of Star Valley 10-5. Laramie's Arsenio Lemus was the victor at 132 with a 6-1 win over Zane Fitzgerald of Cody. Moving to 138, Kemmerer's Donnie Profit, one of the finest wrestlers in the state, beat Reese Karst of Powell 15-0. Over at 145, Ben Emlinger of Buffalo won that weight class with a 5-3 win over his teammate Jake Watterson. At 152, Star Valley's Cody Burke, a 10-2 winner over Casey Britton from Torrington. DeAndre Velarde of Lander won the 160-pound class with a 15-0 win over Koa DeLong from Star Valley. Hayden Walker of Kemmerer gave the Rangers another champion at 170, beating William Atnip of Lander with a pin. Defending state champion Hayden Wempen of Riverton finished first at 182, beating Glenrock's Ian Arnold 8-3. Cody Pinkerton of Douglas continued his fine season with a championship at 195 over Alex Beck of Worland. At 220, Josh Dawson of Star Valley, another defending state champion, beat Zach Aguilar of Laramie 7-1. Finally, at the heavyweight spot, Worland's Morgan Tigner edged Hunter Craney of Star Valley 3-2.